Log a to the base 3 is given as 2. Find a. Here exponent is 2, base is 3, number is a. So we can write 3 raised to the exponent 2 is equal to a. That implies a is equal to 9. Log of cos 60 to the base sin 60 is equal to question. Okay. What's the value of cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2 and sin 60 also is equal to 1 by 2. So this implies log of 1 by 2, base 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. This is equal to 1. Since log of any number to the base of same number is equal to 1. Log of tan 45 to the base cot 45. The value of tan 45 and cot 45 are 1. That means this is equal to log 1 to the base 1. What is the value of this? The log of 1 to any base n, that is equal to 0. But base should not be equal to 1. Here base is 1. So this is not defined. Okay. Otherwise for any base, the value of log 1 to any base is equal to 0. But base should not be equal to 1. So this problem is not defined. That is log 1 to the base 1 is not defined. Consider the question. Log base 2 of tan 1 degree into log of tan 2 degree, base is 2, into log of tan 3 degree. This goes on up. Log of tan 89 to the base 2 is equal to question. Since tan 90 is not defined, so last term is tan 89 degrees given. What's the value of this? Okay. Now, look at this question. Here one term comes as log of this going on and one term become log tan 45 to the base 2. That is log 1 to the base 2. So, the value of log 1 to any base is equal to 0. So, this all term multiplied by 0. So, the answer is equal to 0. Now, log base 16 of log 4 of here log 2 base 2 16 is equal to question. Okay. So, log of here base 16 is inside log of base 4 this time. You can write this as this term as log base 2. 16 can be written as 2 raised to 4. This is log 4 log 16. Now, using the property, this 4 will jump here. So, we can write this is log base 16 of log 4. This 4 into log 2 to the base 2. The value of this is 1. Now, this become log 16 of log 4 to the base 4. And again value of this is 1. So, this become log base 16 of 1. So, log of 1 to any base is equal to 0. So, the answer is 0. Log of 81, base is 81 of log 9 of log 3 and the number is 27 is equal to question. Now we can write this as this term as log 3. 27 can be written as 3 cube of log base 9 log 81. Now this 3 jumps to here. So this become log base 81 log 9 into 3 log 3 base is 3 and 3, and value of this is equal to 1. So this become log of 81 base 80 log of base 81 into log base 9 3. So the value of this is log 9 base 9 3. That means 9 raised to x is equal to 3. 9 can be written as 3 square raised to x is equal to 3, or 3 raised to 2x is equal to 3 raised to 1, and comparing the powers, 2x is equal to 1. This implies x is equal to 1 by 2. This become log base 81 of 1 by 2. This is the answer. Log of x square minus 1 to the base 4 is this is equal to 0 given. Then find value of x is the question. So we can write 4 raised to base raised to exponent is 0 is equal to x square minus 1. That means 4 raised to 0 is 1. 1 is equal to x square minus 1, or x square is equal to 2, x is equal to plus or minus root 2. Both values will satisfy this equation since it is a square type. Okay. Log of x minus 3 to the base x. Find x for which this function is defined. So our first condition is n is greater than 0. That means x minus 3 greater than 0, or x is greater than 3. And second condition is base greater than 0. That base is x. X is greater than 0. And third condition is base not equal to 1. That means x not equal to 1. Okay. Now by comparing these three conditions, that is x is greater than 0, x is greater than 3, and x not equal to 1. So by comparing x greater than 3, this is the solution. So x belongs to 3 to infinity, open interval 3 to open interval infinity.